I just bought this Toro TimeCutter. I have other ideas on how to use it. And I was looking around on Amazon at items the other day and I came across this hitch. So I'm going to show you what it is, what we can do with it. And it's going to be a great addition to the Toro TimeCutter. It could be a great addition to a lawn tractor as well. So let's get to the video. So I recently just sold my John Deere riding mower. I have an older riding mower, an old Craftsman back there. But you never know, it may not last forever. So I was thinking, I need my lawn cutting machine to be able to pull around implements like an aerator, a sweeper, the roller, a sprayer. And I also want my zero turn or my lawn tractor to pull around a wagon that I have. So I decided what I wanted to do. I need to have a 1 7/8 inch ball, plus have it so that I can hook up those implements with a hitch pin. So this is where this is going to come in handy. I'm going to install it here, and I'm going to show you how it works with the different implements that I have and my wagon. So what we have is our 1 7/8 inch hitch ball. It's light duty, it's good for up to 2,000 pounds. I would not use this setup on roads. I would just use this for off-road, like around your property, that sort of thing. You don't want to be putting anything too heavy on here anyway, just for light yard implements and like the wagon I'm about to use. But don't be hauling things down the road with something like this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my hitch ball inside this plate right here. And I'm going to show you where you can get this plate. I'll leave a link below this video and it'll take you right to the product. So first of all, I want to put this hitch ball on this plate. And it has a bigger hole here. I think it's a 3/4 inch hole to fit that into there. So we're going to go ahead and take the nut and the washer off of here. I like to do this first before I mount it to my TimeCutter. So we're going to put that in through there, put the lock washer on, and we're going to thread this nut on. All you need is a wrench to tighten this up, and we're going to snug it up to the plate. And then we're going to mount it to our hitch here on the Toro TimeCutter. Now if you don't have a hitch like this on your zero turn mower, I'll also leave a link below where you can get a hitch just like this. Now we're only going to be attaching this to our lawnmower, our zero turn, and just pulling around the implements that we have. It's nothing heavy duty like a boat trailer and a boat or a camper, that sort of thing. So it doesn't need to be like super tight. This is going to be plenty tight enough. It'll never let go. And we're, like I said, we're just using it here at home, hauling light equipment around. Okay, now we have our hitch in place. So you can see how this is wider here at the bottom. We're going to hitch it up that way. You could put it on top, but I think I'm going to put it underneath. And we're going to take the bolt that comes with this plate, and we're going to put it through the hole. And it came with a nut, but I also have a washer that fits that bolt. I thought it'd be a good idea to add the washer as well. So we're going to put our washer on our nut, thread it on. Now this, I'm probably going to use my compressor to tighten up this nut and bolt, but you can get away with it with a couple wrenches. We have a couple 19-inch wrenches right here. Finish snugging this up a little bit more here. Here we go. There we go. We're straight. And all you need to do is just tighten that up really good. So now you have a 1 7/8 hitch ball for a coupler style trailer tongue, and you have a hole for a hitch pin. I'm going to show you how it easily hooks up with some implements. You got these hooks here too. You could hook things onto like chains or some straps. You could run a strap through here and up and around through here, tie it to something in case you need to pull something out that you have stuck, or just pull something along with a strap. All right, there's how the hitch looks on there. This steel is actually good size, like it's thick, but it feels very strong. So I think it's going to be just fine. Like I said, you won't be pulling anything heavy, you won't be jerking things around, so it should be all right. And it's going to do the job. It's just light duty work. So there's how it looks. It's all bolted up and everything. Looks really good. Now let's give it a try. So there we go. We got our Jed Clampett wagon hooked up to the Toro TimeCutter. Now, if you don't know who Jed Clampett is, then you're probably too young to hear about the Beverly Hillbillies. So there it is. It's hitched up to the 1 7/8 inch hitch ball on the back of the Toro TimeCutter. I use this wagon a lot for firewood to bring it around the back and other things too, doing repairs around my property here. So that's going to be pretty cool. So I'll demonstrate what this is going to look like. You got this hitch for the 0-turn mowers. You got them for riding mowers. It just makes your equipment more versatile. You can use it for many things. And I like the idea of having a hitch ball on here so I can haul around my wagon. And I could also use it for my log splitter too. So it's nice to have something else, like say my ATV is not working for some reason. It's in the shop or I'm fixing it. I'll be able to use the 0-turn to move stuff around. Again, if you'd like to look at this hitch, I'll leave a link below this video and also leave a link to this hitch here that goes onto the back of a 0-turn mower. Thank you for watching, and if this video helped you out, please give me a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. We'll see you on the next video. Take care.